Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. On today's menu we have this delicious oxtail and beans you'll absolutely love. Plus I'll also be doing a review of this knife, so stick around, let me show you how everything comes together. Here I have my oxtail already washed and cleaned. These come pre-cut, so I just wash this up in some vinegar. I have some oxtail seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and paprika. Feel free to use any seasoning of choice. Here I have 3 Maggi seasoning cubes, some fresh green seasoning, and of course I have some browning. But if you don't have browning, you could just go ahead and caramelize some sugar. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my green seasoning mix to the meat, and I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning cubes. I'm just going to go ahead and crush these out, and I'm just going to use my fingers to combine the season mix here. Feel free to use any of your favorite seasoning, you don't have to use the ones I use. And we're going to go ahead and add some browning, add to your desired color that you like. And if you don't have browning, you could caramelize some sugar, or you could use caramel coloring. So I'm just going to go ahead, massage this meat. I'm going to set this aside to marinate for a couple of hours. I marinated this in the morning and I cooked it in the afternoon, but if you have overnight time, always that's best. So to my pan I'm going to add some oil, and I'm going to add my meat. So I'm just going to go ahead, give this a good toss and allow it to get some color on it, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to make its own juice before I show you what I do next. Now it has makes its own juice. I'm just going to go ahead, give it a good mix, and allow this to evaporate down some before I add some water. Now I'm going to add water in a small amount until the meat is fully cooked. Now the cooking time depending on your meat, some might cook faster, some might cook a longer time. This took roughly about 1.5 hours to get to the desired texture and tenderness that I was looking for. So you want to add water gradually until you achieve the desired texture. So to re-season my meat, I have some bell peppers, I have some onion, garlic, some carrot, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Now for that review, here I have this knife from Enoking. They sent me this knife. It has a good weight. It came in a nice package, of course, and it's double package. It has a case that holds the knife, so once you're done using it, you could replace it back in. Isn't that so cute? And of course, it comes in a double layered insulated case, and here it is. It has a nice weight to it, not too heavy on the hand, perfect for chopping, dicing, whatever you want to do with it. I'm going to go ahead, wash it up, and show you how I use it. So the knife is nice and clean, and I'm going to go ahead and slice my bell pepper. Now as you can see, the knife is sliding through the veggies like butter. It is super sharp, perfect for dicing, mincing, chopping. If you have hard meat, big pieces of meat, this is perfect for it. As you can see, it's perfect for the veggies as well. And of course you could mince with it. Of course it's nice for mincing. And for my Caribbean peeps, if you know you make some jerk chicken and you want to chop it up, this is the knife for you. You will absolutely love it. It's super sharp, versatile, and of course if you would like to purchase this knife, I'll leave a link down below with a discount code, so you could go ahead and purchase that, and the link will be down in the description box. So guys, don't forget to check it out, and if you like the knife, don't hesitate to get yourself one. All right my peeps, go ahead and check it out. So for my oxtail here, I have some beans that I cooked prior. You could use canned beans, of course, and of course my veggies that I just chopped up earlier. Now my meat has been cooking for about 1.5 hours, and it has become the desired texture that I'm looking for. And I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies to this. So I'm basically re-seasoning the pot. I add my scallion, my thyme, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to give this a good mix. And of course I'm going to go ahead and taste and adjust to my liking. Always remember to taste and adjust. Now in with some ketchup. Now this one is one of my all-time fave to add. I'm just going to add some hoisin sauce. This is not traditional, so don't come for me, but it does have a depth of flavor to the meat. If you have it, you add it. If you don't, you could just leave it out. But if you have it, just go ahead and add it to it. And I'm just going to go ahead, add my beans, give it a good mix. I'm going to cover this and allow this to simmer for another 30 minutes, or so, just until the gravy reduces, thicken up nicely, and the meat is extra tender. After 30 minutes, this is what my oxtail is looking like. It is smelling amazing, by the way, and this was so good. I served this up simply with some white rice and some veggies on the side. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Bye now.